Hi everyone. Hope y'all are having a great day. I know guys, it's been a while since I posted a video. And my explanation will come in another video. But for now, I wanted to do an unboxing. I was contacted by a company. Their website is craftday.com. And I was asked if I would do an unboxing for them on YouTube, and I said of course, because I went through their site and I liked their products. So this is the way it came, and I have gone ahead and opened it, and I wanted to show you how it comes. So it comes in I ordered 2 products, and so it comes in this bag. And then each product comes in its own separate bag. So I have already opened them up because I wanted to do an unboxing and a review. So this one is already made because I worked on it for 2 days so I can really give you a review on the product. So I'm going to list the 2 items that I received. I'm going to put them in the description box along with their a link to their website. So this one I have cut open, and I do remember what I ordered, but this one I have not opened. I did, like I said, cut it open, but I have not opened. So they sell diamond paintings, and I went ahead and ordered 2, and I'm sure you can guess what I ordered. So the canvas comes just kind of wrapped like this, and we unwrap it. And you know what, guys, when I first saw the package, I thought, oh my gosh, they're gonna be so wrinkled, but they really aren't that bad once you lay it flat. So what I do, my daughter is an avid diamond painter, and she has a dedicated rolling pin that we use on her diamond paintings. And what I did was I just take the rolling pin, let me move these. I just take the rolling pin and roll it out, and it does help flatten it up a bit. So the top layer does get a little bit wrinkled, but it doesn't matter because in the end we don't need this top film. So the top film that protects the sticky side of the canvas is clear, and it is the adhesive on here is very, very sticky, which is a good thing. So these are 30 by 40 centimeters, and I was going to measure to see what that is in inches. So your actual diamond painting is 13 3/4 inches tall by 9 3/4 wide. So I like the size. I know I've mentioned it before. This was a few years ago. My best friend made me a huge one, and it is hanging, and I wanted something to complement the one that she made me, so I chose 2 more little girls. This one has mainly pink, and the other one is a darker one. But so I really enjoyed working on the painting. So here's your color chart at the bottom. Like, if you've never done diamond paintings, each little square has either a number or a letter, and there's a lot of A's here. So you would go down your chart and see which one A is. So A is right here. The number 9. So you open your package of drills. These are called drills, these tiny little diamonds. So your drills come packaged in a clear package. So you would find we're working with A here, so you would find the number 9. So you open it up, 8, here is the number 9. So the 9 is the A. So you fill all your little A spaces with this colored number 9 drills. So like I said, each one has a either a letter or a number, and that is what goes on your canvas, and that is what makes your painting. So one thing that I did notice, guys, was like I said, my daughter's an avid diamond painter. All her diamond paintings come with it comes with a piece of paper, and that piece of paper tells you how many packages of each color you should have. And that's the very first thing my daughter and I do when we unpackage one of her diamond paintings. As we compare, it's like a master sheet. We compare how many packages we got to what the sheet says. So these diamond paintings do not come with one of those sheets. So my fear was that I was not going to have enough to finish my diamond painting because I didn't know how many packages I was supposed to have for each letter or number. That's why I went ahead and put the first one together to show you. So yeah, it doesn't tell you how many packages of each one you have. You're supposed to have, like this one has 2. Number 8 has 2. Number 9 has 3. So that chart would tell you how many you should have for each package. So that was I was just a little worried about that. Not too worried, but just a little. So this, and then it also comes with your little tray to put your drills into. So the little tray, what you do is you put, let me open this. So what you do with your tray is you open your package and put some drills in there. And then if you shake your tray, they will flip with your top side up. And then you put wax at the end of your tool. Just, punch your wax or your tool into your wax and get some wax on your tip. And then you pick up each drill with the tip and you put it on the corresponding letter. Let's say we are starting with the A's. You would, probably work in sections. My daughter works in sections. So you would, start with A, and you would fill all your A spots, and then you would fill the next letter or number, and so on until you finished the entire thing. So this cute little girl, she's going to be next. I'm going to finish her, and I'm going to frame them and hopefully find a frame that I can frame both of them in to match the one that my best friend made me. So let me show you the one that I have already finished. And we will bring in this little girl. Oh my gosh, guys, isn't she pretty? So the drills are diamond cut. So the drills are diamond cut, and that's what makes it sparkle so much. So like I said, I was a little worried on whether I had enough drills or not. But let me show you what I had left over after I finished her up. I had so many drills left over that we have nothing to worry about, honestly. Look at that. And then, of course, my tray got stuck down in there. There's another one. All right, guys. All right, so here's the tray that I used. This is the wax that I used, and you will always get a little square like that. And I had like a lot of wax left over. And this is the tool that I used. There's still some wax in there, and the tray that I used for the drills. So as you can see, we had, I didn't go through any one color. I had plenty of, the only ones that I did go through were the ones that I used the most. So I finished this little packet, this packet, but I had the rest of that left. And same with this. I used all of one packet, and then I had another one left. Those are the only ones that I went through. Everything else had leftovers in it. So there was never any fear. Once I started working on it, there was never any fear on whether I was going to have enough or not. So if you will see this green, packet, there was not a whole lot in here, but I can count the green ones that I used. I used 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, maybe 13 at most, 14. I used 14 of the green ones, and this is what I had left over. And I will tell you that when you are pouring out your drills, they do, I'm sure it's easy and it's not a big deal, but just make sure that you're picking up the right drill. When I would put it in my tray and spread them around, I would make sure there was no other color in there, because some of them had colors that didn't belong in there. And like I said, it wasn't a whole lot of them. Here's another one. And I left them in there purposely to remember to tell you. So just make sure, like this one doesn't belong in there. I didn't put it in there. It was in there already. So just make sure that when you do pour them into your tray, you have all the same color. If you have a color that's different, just rather than try to color match it with the rest of them, just throw it away. It's easier that way. You're gonna have plenty left over. So I wanted to show you what I had put together for you guys, just so I can bring you a true review. Will I order from this company? Yes, I do love the designs that they have. They have beautiful designs, and they're not. This one, I believe it was $7. Each one was $7, which is a really, really good price for a nice, pretty wall art piece. It's so relaxing, guys, to do diamond painting. Like I mentioned, I have not been on YouTube and I haven't posted any crafts. That's not to say I haven't done anything. I just haven't done anything paper related. So this was very relaxing. I can't wait to do the other one and put them together with the one that my BFF sent me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging in there. The videos will come again. It's just right now, they're just not going to happen unless it's just a project share. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll have everything linked in the description box, and I will see everyone soon, I hope. Thanks a lot, guys.